All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah, who is the eternal creator God who created us and took on flesh and became a human to die for our sins and rose again after 3 days. So that if we put our faith in him, we can be born again, filled with the Spirit, and have the promise of eternal life. And I know a lot of people are celebrating the birth when God took on flesh today and tomorrow. And if you are celebrating that, may God bless you in your celebration of that. Now, the Bitcoin price right now, as you can see, is pumping like crazy, baby, right from the setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord yesterday. All right, the potential Bitcoin long right from this level. This is the long zone number 1 that we had on our chart from the key zone. We did get a bounce. Now, a little bit of a sad story, I gotta say, guys, if you were here yesterday, you guys saw me take a scalp trade from this level right here. I think it was this level right here. You guys saw me take a scalp from here. $300,000 position, hit a take profit 1, and then I got stopped out. So basically, I hit a TP1 there for a 0.0137 Bitcoin profit, and then I lost 0.004 of that. So basically 0.009 Bitcoin profit on a $300,000 position. And then later on in the evening, I had to haphazardly long this with a much smaller position size, because when I got into the trade, guys, I did have my stop loss down all the way here. All right, I did have my stop loss down all the way here, and shooting for a good old 3-to-1 risk reward for my TP1 here. Of course, I moved my stop loss up now, but you know, sometimes it happens, man. I wish I had been in a bigger position size for this trade, but the thing is, I couldn't do it. Why? Because of risk management. Risk management, that's right. We're risking the same amount of money per trade. We're not risking more than 1%, so if we need a wider stop loss, we need to use a smaller position size. And as we come to the chart, we take a look with our magnifying glass. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, wow. Oh, wow. Whoa. This is some weird looking stuff, guys. We are seeing some interesting developments on the chart right now. This just in, breaking news. We are seeing some interesting developments on the chart. So let's pop on over. First of all, I do have to give a major shout out to everybody in the chat. And we are going to be doing 4 giveaways during this stream, all right? We're going to be doing 4 $250 giveaways during the stream. If we can get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we'll be doing 4 $500 giveaways during the stream. All right. So we're going to be doing 4 $250 giveaways no matter what during this stream. Okay. But if we can get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we will be giving away 4 $500 giveaways. Isn't that amazing? I think that's pretty dang cool. $500, man. You could buy a lot with that. Back in the day, you used to be able to buy 500 hamburgers at McDonald's with that. Okay? So let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about what's happening here on the chart. As you can see, I got a partial stop that will trigger if we start to change market structure locally, or I do have a TP that will hit up here. Hoping, either way, we're going to lock in some money on this trade, baby. We're going to lock it in, baby. All right, we're going to lock it in. So, what is happening with the Bitcoin price right now? Let's remove our orders here. By the way, guys, MEXC right now, not MEXC, whoops, BLOFIN is offering 10% cash back for the holiday special. 10% cash back, anything you deposit. So, deposit $1,000, get $100. Up to $1,000 future bonus. Plus, you could win a watch, a chair, a camera, a sack of money, a Tesla. Wow, amazing. Until January 23rd, 2025. So it's pretty good. Also, MEXC is the best deal on fees. So MEXC, best deal on fees, 0%, limit order 0.0 something percent, market order, pretty dang cheap. All right, pretty dang cheap. Good old MEXC. And of course, WEEX, got a WEEX link as well, which is no KYC, but cheap fees. All right. So, what else do we have to show? Jay Shillington has to show also the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we gave the setup in advance yesterday at jasoncaspertrading.com. All right, so let's go ahead and close that. Cool. All right, so look at this, guys. Let's talk about what's happening here. It's very, very interesting developments on the Bitcoin price. Watch this. All right, watch this. Smash up the likes. I know we got a small house today because, you know, the holiday. But look at what is happening right now. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? In fact, we are coming up right to a level of resistance. In fact, if we take a look at the chart that we have on our Casper Crew VIP chart that you can import if you're part of the Casper Crew, we are coming up right now to major resistance, wicking right into the green box and getting a little bit of a reaction from the green box. Now, I want to bring your attention to this. This trend line right here, this is the channel that we were trading for quite some time. So there is a chance here that if we actually get a move back inside the channel, that we can see the Bitcoin price do something like this. In fact, if we look at daily market cipher B, we could see potentially within the next day or two, and of course there's going to be low volume, no New York tomorrow. It is a holiday. Look at this. We got ourselves potentially a green dot on the daily, potentially the VWAP curving up, potentially the money flow getting thicker, giving us that next big push to the upside, right? And the 4-hour time frame, we don't have a bullish div here. We do not. But we do have a anchor trigger double bottom, right? So we are at resistance right now. This is key resistance right now. If we go ahead and take our fib pull from the high to the low, what else do we have here? Actually, we don't have our, I thought we had our golden pocket there, but we don't. You know what? So actually, okay, so here's the golden pocket we have. From the last swing high, the local swing high, to the current low, we are currently in our Fibonacci golden pocket 786 zone of resistance. So this is, once again, a make it or break it level for Bitcoin. Just like yesterday, down here was a make it or break it level for Bitcoin, right? We're always trading the make it or break it levels. You want to take your trades at the make it or break it levels, all right? The reason why you want to take your trades at the make it or break it levels is because you know you have a high probability of the trade going in your favor, right? If you make it, then you're gonna make it. And if you break it, well, you take a small loss with good risk management and move on to the next trade, baby. Okay, so that's where we're currently coming to right now. So this is gonna be pretty key. We'll go to the daily. I want to go to the daily as well. Take a look at something here, which is this. All right. We have this liquidity from the 21st of December, which was a Saturday. This is also going to be an area of resistance. So 99.5-ish, that's going to be right around where that next resistance is going to be coming in. All right. So again, if we can break through this level, then I would expect that we actually do see some nice follow through to the upside, potentially coming all the way up to our next major resistance, which is going to be $102,000. In fact, originally, when I gave the setup, 102, the golden pocket, that actually is my first major target, right? We're looking to take that high from the 21st of December and actually come up to the value area high of the range. You can see here, the value area high of the range, confluence with the golden pocket, right around $102,000. So we'll see what happens here. Make it or break it level. We're obviously finding a little bit of consolidation here, but we did have a big move to the upside just now. In fact, would you look at this? I have not looked at this. This is what happened. I took the trade. When did I take the trade? I took the trade, I guess, around here. All right, yesterday I took the trade around here, and then I shut my phone off. I went to bed. Didn't even look at the chart until right around here. Honestly, I had no idea what happened. Don't care. When you use good risk management, you take a trade, you set your stop loss, you set your take profits, and you go to sleep and you don't worry about it because you're either going to wake up at $4,699.47 of USD profit, or you wake up having taken a small loss and you go on to the next trade and it doesn't matter because you always trade with good risk management and over time you're going to be profitable, right? You know, I don't usually drink beer, but when I'm feeling bullish, I drink the blue caffeine-free Stevia. Now, I know what you're going to say. Jason, Stevia extract wreaks havoc on your hormones. Okay? You're right. It does. But you know what? Sometimes in moderation, I enjoy a good caffeine-free Stevia because it's a bullish soda, okay? It really does. It's bullish. It's blue, just like the blue candles, okay? So yeah, here we are, baby. I don't know. I forget what exactly I was talking about with the soda, but yeah. Okay, so here's the deal. We got a green dot on the daily, man. We are coming up to our next resistance, and then we're going to go ahead and pull our volume And wow, we're already above the high volume node. So this is our first kind of sign of strength. If we close the daily above the high volume node, looks kind of good. We come above this golden pocket, and I'd say we could see another high. Because this golden pocket, you know, that is our target of the trade setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord at jasoncaspertrading.com. And and yeah, so yeah, we come above value area high, and we could see back to the top of this range, which is $113,000, which, according to Divine Hood, is a very key area of resistance where he has his next resistance. And Divine Hood is a great trader in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. In fact, I highly recommend that if you have not, that you go subscribe to Divine Hood on YouTube, because he has his own YouTube channel now. And let's pop it in. Let's pop it on. Let's check it out. Yeah, go subscribe to Divine Hood Trading. All right. This dude is an amazing trader. All right. Look at this nice logo here too. It's like the seed of life, but it's crypto. Pretty cool, man. All right. So that's the deal. That's the deal. So there's no short here. Well, we're going to talk about it. Stevia extract is bad for your hormones for sure, and stevia leaf is probably not strong enough to have an effect on your hormones. But yeah, in rats, it does cause infertility. All right, so just be aware. Be aware. All right. Look, nothing in life that tastes good comes without consequences, unless you really enjoy whole foods like I do. But look, this tastes too good. It tastes too good. Takes me back to when I was a fat kid in like middle school. I used to drink so much Pepsi. Zevia tastes like garbage. Well, look, if you don't drink soda, Zevia tastes amazing. Who doesn't love a good hormone tsunami from time to time? Yeah, for sure. Faux show. All right, we got 1,300 people in here. We got 500 likes. If we get 1,000 likes in the first 30 minutes, we're gonna be doing 4 $500 giveaways. We're gonna be doing 4 $250 giveaways, no matter what. Okay, no matter what. I was fat. Yeah, morbidly obese, crypto error. Morbidly obese. In fact, the only reason I'm in such good shape now in my 30s is because of the bullying that people would partake in when as pertaining to my body mass index. All right, I was bullied mercilessly for being so fat, and I am so thankful for being bullied, because you know what it did? It made me realize, you know what? Those bullies are right. I am fat. And if I keep down this road, I'm going to die of a heart attack when I'm 18, so I better start taking my health seriously. Maybe I should start working out instead of playing video games, eating potato chips all day. You know? Maybe I should start eating healthy. Maybe I should start exercising. And that's what I did. So now, all those people who used to bully me for being fat, they got the dad bod going on, the gut, the fat. Meanwhile, Jay Casper over here in the tight blue V-neck with the chest cleavage and the biceps and all this kind of stuff, right? All because they're bullying. So all this movement to stop the bullying, I'm not for it, man. Bring on the bullying, baby. Bring it on. You trying to be jacked? You gotta get bullied, baby. You know. Let's see. Could we see a pullback from here? Yeah, let's talk about that. Let's talk about a potential pullback from here. Now, you know, I've got myself the orders, partial stop, and a TP, depending on what happens first. So, let's take a look at order flow. First things first, we're going to take a look at order flow. All right. Oh my goodness. So, this is quite interesting. This is really quite interesting. So, we made our low, and with a decrease of open interest, we have bullish CVD. So, this is not something that I honestly would have even considered longing if I had been here in the moment, right? And then since that time, we have a pretty healthy move to the upside. I mean, look at this. We have a pretty healthy move to the upside. Look at this. We have bullish CVD forming right in this area where we see like shorts being absorbed big time, people shorting 97,620 getting absolutely absorbed, and then we have a whole bunch of longs just coming in out of nowhere. Bam, millions of longs opening up right here. 11 million longs after those shorts are absorbed, and now we're starting to see a decrease of OI. Longs are taking profit. Basically, longs are taking profit right at Jason Casper's box, which they should. Now, if only Jason Casper would have taken his own advice. It's so funny. My take profit actually did get front run there. What? Look at that. What did that hit? I mean, come on. Is ByBit trying to rip me off, man? Like what? What even happened right there? I don't know. Yeah, I got front run, man. Ugh, the worst. The worst! I could take profit now, but you know what? Let's wait and see what happens. So look, if we get a pullback from here, let's discuss. We're going to go down to our 12-minute time frame, which you should be using. If you're not, I don't know what's wrong with you. But we got ourselves now a sideways range to trade. And we are above value area high. We're above POC. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pull a little bit of a fib from the last swing low to the current high. And we're going to put on our Trace Ocho Dos. And we are going to also, we have our golden pocket here. I'm going to look at the volume more locally. All right. So here's the deal. Honestly, we do have a lot of, we have a few longs. Where are those longs? Where is that level? Okay, so that's right around 97.2. Right around 97.2. Okay, beautiful, guys. The 382 and the high volume node right now at around $97,200. This is actually where the longs will need to defend their position, because we can see based on the order flow that all the longs that are open up right now, basically they're all open up at right around 97.2. Right, so this big spike of OI, 13 million longs are still open right at 97.2. And so if we get a pullback to 97.2, not only do we have longs that will need to defend their position, but we also have the Trace Ocho Dos, which is Espanol for the 382, right at 97,237.5. And we have the high volume node of the range, the POC, also right at 97.2. And so this actually could give us a nice bit of a bounce. Also, we have a 15-minute order block right here. We got ourselves a 15-minute order block right here as well. So we got four things. We got the longs, we got the 382, we got the POC, we got the 15-minute order block. Talk about intersectionality. If I ever done seen it. Yeah. So that's where I'd be looking if we get a pullback. If we get more of a pullback, well, here's the deal. Let's pull another fib from the low. If we get more of a pullback, I would still be interested in this right here. We have a spike in volume, we have the golden pocket, and we have the support resistance flip right around 95-ish, right? 95-ish. These would be the two areas I would look for a pullback if the low is in. All right, now again, these are supports. This doesn't mean you should long here. I'm just saying, if this is our low, right? And we've changed market structure, right? We were in a downtrend. We had our high, we had our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, our lower low. Then we made a high, we made a higher low. Bam, we made a higher high. We've taken out these last lower highs. So on the 15-minute time frame, we have changed market structure from bearish to bullish. Yes, I do say, my dear chaps, the market structure, locally at least, is quite bullish right now, if I do say so myself. And so, that means, because we have a local change of structure bullish, we can look for a pullback to this area or to this area. That's where I'd be looking. Now, we have to remember that on the daily, there is still room to the downside. We still do have a confirmed bearish div. We still are breaking down from this, right? So right now, if we're going to be looking for longs on the pullback, we have to do it understanding the fact that, yeah, we're looking for longs on the pullback, but we're literally rejecting from, if we move this to line up with these wicks here, we are literally rejecting from resistance. All right. So again, the higher term time frame market structure is still more bearish than bullish. But right here locally, we have our first spark of hope, which is a local change of structure. And so if this is going to continue to the upside, then we either look at 95K or 97.2. Those are the two zones. 97.2 is looking actually pretty nice right now. Pretty nice right now. We have a nice confluence there. Now, of course, once we come back above this trend line, I'd say that's pretty bullish, because remember, 97.2. Let's go ahead and pull this, actually. Let's pull this. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, guys! Wow! I mean, wow! rent me a dang Kubota and skip leg day. Have you ever seen such a massive confluence in your life? I mean, have you ever seen something like this before? This is not just the local POC of the range, guys. This is the macro POC of the range. The Trump range. All right, the Trump range. This whole range happened after Trump got elected. All right, so we you know what we got to do just to make sure we really hammer in the importance of this range. We got to turn our candles orange, the color of Donald Trump himself. All right, the color of DT himself. Yeah, we hold above 96.2, guys. I'm sorry, 97.2. That's bullish. You know, I might even add a little bit to the dang trade. Where is 97.2? 97.2. We're gonna mark this out in our chart, man. 97.2. We're gonna say, what should we say? What should it say? FOMO 100x full account. Be our level right there, baby. Okay. We're going to be looking maybe to add a little bit if we come down to that area, you know what I mean? Now, let's see. We got 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left until we get our 1,000 likes. Because right now we're going to do 4 $250 giveaways. 4. All right, but if we get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we'll be doing 4 $500 giveaways. You guys know what I mean, right? Shout out to Crypto Air. You also lost 22 kilograms. That's cool. Yeah, what's funny is right now, like literally right now, I weigh 25 pounds more as a 35-year-old man than I did as a 12-year-old boy. Isn't that funny? Before puberty and all this, I was about 175 pounds, give or take, at like 5'3" or something. Now I'm a foot taller and only 25 pounds heavier. That's pretty crazy. All right, is Bitcoin dumping? Someone says we're dumping. All right, someone says we're dumping. Sabes de que hablo? Sí, señor. En la cocina, con mis gatos en mis pantalones y mis amigos. Sí. Es muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Sí. Shout out to Marcelo Rodriguez with the plungers and the chick. All right, so we just hit a take profit one, which is actually a stop loss. And Bitcoin's dumping, baby. All right, we're coming down to our level. FOMO 100x full account long, baby. All right, so we just locked in $1,725 of USD. All right, and if we can get 1,000 likes in the next 5 minutes, man, I'm gonna be giving all this away to y'all. Man, let's see. Is 85K happening before the end of the year? You know, I don't know. How's order flow? Well, right now it's happening on a decrease of open interest, right? So longs have taken profit and a few shorts opening. But in general, guys, I'd say this is like bullish because if we ignore the longs closing, we have a steady amount of shorts opening here. And so these shorts right here are still open, right? They're still open. We got a lot of shorts still open here that are underwater. So I'd say 97.2, guys, is going to be such a key level. That's where we have 13 million longs versus the shorts that have opened. Literally, it's going to be a battle of the bears and the bulls at 97.236, where you FOMO. Not financial advice, okay? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I'm literally a guy walking on a treadmill. So, yeah. Shout out to Jay Armo. And shout out to Henok. Who doesn't like money? Some people don't. I mean, honestly, I hate money. All from the goat cheese. I love me some goat cheese. How much is that in kilograms? You know, I don't know. I'm an American. We don't know what a kilogram even is. All right. We don't even know what a kilometer is. What's a kilometer? Honestly, I think a kilometer is something that measures how much likely you are to get killed. All right. A kilometer. How likely are you to get killed? And it's like a meter. All right. Let's see. We got some super chats we got to shout out. First of all, a major shout out to Rodrigo, who says, Merry Christmas. Look at Cardano. Hugs from Brazil. Thank you, Rodrigo. We will look at Cardano. All right, Marcos, he says, could you look at Luce? Yeah, we could look at Luce. Shout out to Dixie for the super chat. What's your workout routine? Everything is falling apart. My boss is trying to sleep with my girlfriend. She's interested. Lost money on my trades. Help me. Wow, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, the first thing I could say is just You got to surrender your life to Jesus. That's the only thing that's really going to get your life together. All right, everything else is just a band-aid on a deadly wound. But after that, if you want to start hitting the gym, I mean, I'm a huge proponent of full body workouts 3 times a week. Or if you want to do upper lower, just focus on the compound movements and just getting stronger at those over time, and eat whole foods, and you'll be good. You'll be good. All right, shout out to Swa Tan Tra Singh Raj Poot. Love to trade with that free money. Well, hey, smash up the likes. All right, smash up the likes, and we'll be giving away that free money. We got 1 minute and a half to get 150 likes. All right, a minute and a half. Let me go ahead and set the timer here. A minute and a half. A minute and a half. I'll tell you though, that Zevia makes you have to burp. All right. All right, let's take a look at Cardano real quick. But first, let's not forget to set our alerts. We're going to change our Trump candles back to blue. We don't want to excite the market makers too much. Make them think we're too bullish. We're already drinking blue Zevia. We're wearing a blue shirt. And, yeah, so let me go ahead and set some alerts here. Then we'll take a look at Cardano. Yeah, we'll set an alert here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this, by the way. Yeah, you know what's a huge bummer? Like I said, this trade is so small compared to what I wanted to enter in, you know? But it is what it is, right? It is what it is. It is what it is, man. All right, Cardano. Cardano. All right. Well, let's see here, guys. I have to say that Cardano is getting a bounce from this key level, 80 cents. Pretty key. We've seen it happen a while ago, right? So Cardano is also right now backtesting this key triangle. Here's the deal. I don't like the low. I have to be honest, just like the Bitcoin low, I don't like the Cardano low. I think a much juicier level for Cardano would be coming back down to the value area high. That would be extremely juicy. However, as long as we're holding above 80 cents, then we can still be looking for more upside. So here's what I would do personally. Now this, okay, did we get 1,000 likes? The answer is no! Dang it! Okay, well, look, we'll still do 4 $250 giveaways. 4 $250 giveaways, all right? We're gonna be doing it because I love to give away money. That's why. And you guys are so awesome. You deserve it. You guys deserve it. You're the best subscribers in the world. And I know you're subscribers because you have to be subscribed to be in the chat. So look, we get a break and a back test of this. That looks nice. This does look like a nice bottom. I ain't gonna lie. We go down to the 1 hour time frame. We do see some bull divs here. So, you know, we could get a move to the upside. If you're feeling ultra bullish, honestly, if you're feeling ultra bullish, it's not even a bad risk to reward right now to look for something like this. Is this the most probable move? No, it's not the most probable move, but I would say this, it's a good risk to reward ratio. All right, if this is really our high or low, then we would expect to move back to the top of the range, basically do the opposite of what we did down here. We faked everyone out to the downside. We would expect the same to the upside now. And because this is a bull market, you know, maybe we're just longing we're about to get the breakout of the bull flag, right? So we could, in theory, say we could hold this for a $3 Cardano. Just throwing it out there. It's a good risk to reward ratio. Not the highest probability, but it is low risk. Right? There's a difference between high and low probability and high and low risk. We know right where our stop loss should be. This could potentially be a massive good swing trade. This also has the potential to be a really good like local trade, like a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. And so yeah, it looks pretty good. As long as we're holding above 80 cents, as far as the market structure goes, it looks pretty good. We got a daily confirmed green dot here. Looks pretty good. If this is not gonna happen, we know where our next zone is. It's gonna be right down here. Right down in this, between the golden pocket and the 786. All right. So we got to take a look at Luce. Shout out to my man or woman, Marcos. I'm assuming that's the man, Marcos. Right. All right. We'll take a look at LUCE. Man, this price actually got me feeling loose, baby. It's got me feeling loose. You guys feeling loose? Who's this? It's Papa Casper. Hey, Papa Casper. How you doing, Papa Casper? What's that? You want some of what? I don't know if people can hear you, Papa Casper. I think you called on the wrong format here. All right, bye. All right, well that was Papa Casper, but we couldn't quite hear him too good. Shout out to Papa Casper. Sorry, Papa Casper. It's because I think you FaceTimed me instead of calling me regular, so the phone didn't go through the normal sound system. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. Papa Casper always has some good financial advice to give. Right, Papa Casper? All right, let's see. What are we looking at here? Luce. Okay, so we're bouncing from the 886. We have very little data. Very, very little. We don't have a bullish div on the 4 hour. We don't have a bullish div on the 1 hour. Honestly, to me, I don't know what to say about it. The only thing we have here is a local change of market structure, and we're coming up to resistance. All right, we don't see a bullish divergence, and we're coming up to resistance. I don't really know what to say. The only thing I would say is, if I was looking for a long on this, I would look to take out this low at 04235. All right, 04235 is where I would look for bullish divergences, because right now we're at resistance. We don't have any bullish divs down here. If we do come down there, we will see for certain the juicy uneven butt cheek pattern on the 4 hour. If we get moved down and yander, right, that would be pretty dang juicy. Let's see here. Ooh, wow, that's looking pretty good, man. All right, let's see who else we got in here. Shout out to Dave Digital, by the way. What's going on, Dave Digital? Shout out to French Toaster. Shout out to M Stone. He says Jar looks like trash. I know, right? All right. Shout out to Sudeep. Call Papa back. Yeah, let me give him a call back. Let's see what Papa Casper has to say. You know, he's the one that got me into trading in the first place. Let's see if he answers.
Hello.
Hey, Papa Casper, what's going on, man?
Hey, man, I'm just listening to you.
You're listening to the broadcast. What you think about it? Well, there's this thing called the internet. It's a slight delay. I think so too. You know, they're trying to spy on us again, Papa Casper. They're on to our tricks. Yeah, so what happened? You bought the top on Bitcoin again? How did that happen? Did you get liquidated? That happens when you get older, right? Every 5 minutes now. Wow. Oh, nice. Well, what do you think? You're the Cardano expert around here. You think a juicy left cheek? Let's take a look. We're just looking at Cardano. I think that's why.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we got a juicy left cheek for sure. I mean, honestly, this could turn into a very juicy left cheek right here. All right, we're already starting to see it on the daily. Now, if we get another move down to this golden pocket, that's going to be the juiciest set of uneven butt cheeks I've ever seen. What was the juiciest set of butt cheeks you ever seen, Papa Casper?
Oh, that would be my wife, but I don't want to talk about it here. I'm not.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about Mama Casper that way online. You know what I mean? Casper, I'll get you one for Hanukkah.
Thank you very much. I love you very much. In Yeshua's name.
All right, love you.
Believe in Yeshua. Trust in Yeshua.
Amen.
Love you.
All right, Papa. I'll talk to you later. All right, Papa Casper. Everybody. Good old Papa Casper. All right, let's see. Well, what else we got? Wow, we still have a big house watching, you know, because we're giving away money. That's why. Look, you can talk about nonsense and still have people watch if you're giving away money. That's how it works. We got some more super chats in the house. Major shout out to Andrew Hurd. He says, Merry Christmas. In the spirit of giving, can you use the super chat to give away 1 month of Casper Crew for someone? I don't know how I would make that happen right now, man, but we could make it happen in the future, all right? But I don't know how I would actually make that happen right now without somebody scamming, all right? It's really difficult to do giveaways on YouTube. Tima, yeah, we can take a look at Tima. All right, so we got to check out Ethereum, all right? Visual Intentions says Ethereum, all right? Ethereum, let's check it out. Ethereum. Now, man, now I'm stuck talking Southern because of Papa Casper. All right, let's see here. Wow, so ETH, guys, is getting the bounce from the local area, right? Just like Bitcoin got the bounce from the area. We don't want to get malaria from the area, but Bitcoin got the bounce. All right, instead of giving in advance, ETH also got the bounce from the higher low. So, you know, it's just if-then scenarios. When you're trading, guys, it's all about if-then scenarios. If the low is in, right down here, then this green box is going to be where you get in, right? It's just simple if-then scenarios. That's how you take trades. You're not going to win every trade, but if you have an if-then scenario, you got to take for granted the bottom's in, even though you know it might not be. If the bottom's in, then this is going to be the long. All right, so here's the deal with ETH. ETH right now in a very different situation than Bitcoin because we have broken down from the channel quite a bit. And, yeah, we've broken down from the channel quite a bit. And, we're not back testing resistance right now, okay? But here's the deal. We have made a higher low. If we make another higher high, we could also look for just trading with the trend, all right? It becomes a little bit more difficult to know when to get into a long trade because honestly, the if-then scenario kind of already played out. If the low is not in, and again, I don't like the way this low looks. I don't like the way this low looks. I feel like it could look better on ETH. If the low is not in, then $3,000 is definitely where you want to get in, all right? If the low is in, here's what I do. I mean, look, same with Bitcoin. This is how I'm trading it. Do I know if the low is in? No. But I had an if-then scenario. If the low is in here, then this is where our higher low is going to come in from the setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And so I took a long trade. I've hit a take profit 1 to make sure I'm not going to lose money on the dang trade. And now, who cares what really happens, right? You either get stopped out for a profit like we did yesterday, if you guys saw my trade yesterday, right? Got stopped out for a point, almost about a 0.01 Bitcoin, like about $1,000, give or take, right? And so I'm either gonna get stopped out with like $1,000 or it keeps pumping. It's the same deal right now with ETH, right? If you're long, take a partial here because it is a very weird looking market structure. Better to be safe than sorry. It's a 10% move, guys. If you can't TP one after a 10% move, man, I don't know. Maybe you shouldn't be a day trader. Maybe you should just be a hodler, all right? And then see what happens. If we get a pullback right now and the uptrend, see, we don't even have a sign of strength in the sense that we haven't even taken out this last high, right? So let's assume that we get a pullback. Where would we be looking for? Because on ETH, on Bitcoin, we're looking for 97.2. What would we be looking for on Ethereum here? Let's just go down to a lower time frame. We're going to go to the 24-minute, which you should all be using, right? Don't ever use that 20-minute. Don't ever use that 25-minute. The 24-minute, that's where it's at, baby. All right, just like I know y'all ain't using red and green candles either. All right, so right now on ETH, the next place in the event of a pullback right now would be right here, okay? Basically, we'd be looking at this. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and then buy-in, right? The next if-then scenario has to be, for a long trade, right between 32.85 and 33.3. Now, I sound like Joe Biden trying to tell you who to text. 3,339. All right. Wait, yeah, 3,339. It gets so confusing with Bitcoin being hundreds of thousands and ETH being just one of thousands and Bitcoin being tens of thousands historically. And, you know, I feel like sometimes I feel like my man Joe. All right, now Joe, Bitcoin's pumping, and Joe, he doesn't like it when Bitcoin pumps. You know what I'm saying? Joe don't like it when Bitcoin pumps. In fact, this is what he had to say right before the stream.
Now, let me be clear. I've been dead since 2019, and every time you've seen me on TV, it's either been a deep fake or a body double. But the science is settled. This is all Trump's fault.
So he's blaming Trump, but you know, Trump is bullish on Jason Casper. So make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper crew.
All right. Okay. Cool. All right. Did Gala hit my level? We gotta go over some of these other assets here. Yeah, Jason Casper. He's gonna be huge. All right. He's gonna be huge. Let's see who else we got in the super chat. Dogecoin from FamOG. Yeah, we'll check out Doge real quick. We'll check out Doge. Then we'll do some giveaways after we get these super chats. All right. We'll do some giveaways after the super chats. All right. So this is Dodge. And look, Dodge front ran our level, man. So again, here's the deal with Dodge. Either the low is in, or it's not. If the low is in, okay, here's what we need. We need a breakout and back test of 34 cents. We need a breakout and a back test, 34 cents. If we get that, then I would say that is a valid long trade. Wherever that retest wick comes down to, that's where our stop loss goes, and we target, you know, this obviously was a bull flag that failed to break out. I would target back up to where this kind of trend line goes, so we could be looking at something like this, all right? If the low is not in and we're unable to reclaim and backtest 34 cents, then we are looking down to 22.862 cents, where we have the Fibonacci golden pocket, the support resistance flip, and, you know, if we go to a higher time frame, basically the value area high of this old consolidation from back here, right? We have a lot of confluences right around this zone. So that's what I'm looking at with Dogecoin. All right, Dogecoin, Dodge Ball. Shout out to Corbin W for the super chat, 199. Can we look at BAN USD? Yeah, we could look at BAN, baby. BAN USD, USDF? No, USDT. All right. BAN. Comedian. Wow. Well, what can I say about BAN? Looks like a pump and dump, man. Well, let's see. In the last few days, just a little pump of about 21,000%. Chump change, baby. Yeah. What can I even say about this, right? I would never buy it now. After a 21,000% move to the upside and a 90% pullback, I don't even know. I mean, at least it's been a 90% pullback from the high, but I mean, how could we even try and there's no fib levels holding here. I don't know what to say about it. Okay, if you're bullish on it for some reason and you want to buy, by all means go for it. But I mean, literally, and how long did that pump take here? Look at this, guys. Like the 4-hour candle gapped up on MEXC. That's so funny. That is so hilarious. That's hilarious. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm sorry. Look, if you have a little bit of money, I don't know what to tell you. All right, I would never in a million years buy this. All right, it's called Comedian. This is a comic show right here, man. I mean, let's be real. I don't know. If you somehow are bullish fundamentally and you like gambling, maybe go for it. All right. Shout out to my man Ryan Ward. He says Tima again. All right. Tima. Everyone is shilling Tima. We'll look at Tima again. Every time we look at Tima, we see the same thing on the chart. First of all, it's only available at Bitmart. All right. Now, when was the last time you bought something from anything called Mart and it was high quality? Probably never. All right. Just throwing that out there. All right. Now, secondly, let's go to the daily. Looks like a few days ago we did wick down perfectly to the golden pocket. We had a lot of buyback. Now here's the thing. There is not enough data on this chart for me to give you an honest view of Tima. There's not enough data on the chart. You literally have to either be bullish on it fundamentally or not. And if you want to buy or long this, which I don't even think you can do on Bitmart, all right, then it has to be for fundamental reasons. Because honestly, when we sit back, you know, yeah, it pumped about 1,000%, but who knows? Maybe this is the next comedian. Maybe it's about to really break out. We have an ascending triangle. It seems like people are bullish fundamentally. I never know if people are bots or legit when they're shilling coins like this, so I have no idea. But the reality is, if this is going to break out, great. But there's no technical reason really for it to break out besides the fact that we're consolidating in what kind of is an ascending triangle, all right? So literally, this is not the kind of coin you can buy with a good risk to reward ratio. This is more of like, you have to be an investor and you're like willing to like risk money on it. This is not like something day traders would touch. All right, this is not something I would touch unless I had secret hidden gnosis about this coin, because we're in price discovery. We have no idea the potential here. All right, and again, if you're bullish on the fundamentals, then disregard what I'm saying. I'm not a fundamental trader, so I don't even know what TIMA is. All right. Shout out to SoFlow Mick. Merry Christmas, bud. Can we look at Bonk? Yeah, we could look at Bonk. Bonk, USDT, baby. Let's take a quick look. All right, so Bonk is still in the buy zone. Look, this is make it or break it for Bonk here, honestly. This is make it or break it for Bonk. We had the channel. We have gone for most of the liquidity. As long as we're holding above POC, this is a valid idea. We technically have a little bit of a hidden bullish div on the daily, a little bit of money flow curve on the daily. All right, this is a real make it or break it zone for Bonk. If Bonk is not going to hold this box, then the next buy zone for Bonk is going to be down below 1487 to take the liquidity. But honestly, this looks like a really nice low to me. I would be very surprised if this is not the low. All right, I would be quite surprised if this is not the low. All right, shout out to everybody in the chat. We got 1,500 people in the house. All right, we're gonna have to yeah, we have a giveaway. Yeah, we're gonna do 2 giveaways right now. But let's take a look at Bitcoin first. All right, Bitcoin's coming down to the FOMO 100x full account long level. This is going to be a real make it or break it level here, guys. All right, a real make it or break it. A real make it or break it. Let's pull our fib again. Low to high. Go ahead and put on that 382. Yeah, this must hold, guys. This must hold. Right here. We put on the white box. This must hold. I don't know exactly what kind of accent this is, but you know. All right. So, yeah. Here we go. Apparently, we're rejecting from a spider line as well. Just got a notification from Crypto Faces Discord that we are rejecting also from a spider line. So let's see what happens at our white box of hope and wonder, as we are still potentially trading this idea on a higher term time frame. All right. What about Sol, Christina? We could, yeah, we'll take a quick look at Sol. Let's take a quick look at Sol. Shout out to Alexo Crypto. God bless you, my man. God bless you. Shout out to HFG. God bless you, bro. Shout out to Aaron G. God bless you, man. Shout out to Crypt Bro 38. Shalom to you. God bless you. Shout out to Casual TA. We will do a we'll do Sol and G Swift after we do a few giveaways. So we're gonna do 2 giveaways right now. All right, we're gonna give away 2 $250 giveaways. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna here's how you win. All right, you got to spam the chat. You got to spam the YouTube chat, and I'm gonna count down from 10. I'm gonna do it twice. I'm gonna choose 2. I'm gonna take 2 screenshots. Whoever is highlighted on my cursor wins $250. All right, so here we go. 10, 9, 8. Wait, hang on. Yeah, okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so our first winner is Ashton, like the cigar company. Ashton, got your address right here, Ashton. I'm gonna go ahead and send that to myself. Your address. All right, let's do another. All right, here we go. You guys ready? We're gonna do another one. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep spamming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, push the wrong button. We gotta do it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's see who our second winner is. It is Nitros. All right, Nitros. Congratulations. Let's see, Nitros right here. We got the address, and we are gonna send that to myself as well. All right, boom. All right, congratulations to Nitros and whoever our other winner was. Now I forget the name, but I have both of your addresses, so I'm gonna send both of y'all some USDT. All right, I'm gonna send both of y'all some USDT. All right, congratulations to our winners. Our winners. All right, congratulations to our winners. All right, let's do the giveaways now, and we will do 2 more giveaways later in the stream. All right, we will do 2 more giveaways later on in this stream. Two more giveaways later in the stream. Let's go back to our Bitcoin trade here so that we can monitor what's happening as we are getting a bit of a rejection from the level. We're coming down to our box of support. This box holds. You know, I might even add to the trade, you know. All right, let's see here. We're gonna give away $250 to our first winner, Ashton. Right, Ashton, like the cigar company. I like Ashton cigars. You know, I don't usually smoke cigars too often, but if I do, I do. My favorite cigar is the Ashton VSG. It's a full-body cigar. It tastes absolutely amazing, like absolutely amazing. I love it. It tastes amazing. That's the reason I love it. Let's see here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and send the money. How's Bitcoin? She's coming down to the level, guys. She's coming down to the level. All right. All right. Now we sent it to Ashton. Now we're gonna send it to our next winner, Nitro. Now I will say this: you can send me any address, but if you send me a Tether address on the Ethereum chain, the fee is higher. So even though I send 250, it's gonna be like 241. If you send on Tron, it will you'll get closer to 250, probably 249. All right, now this is not the end of the giveaways, guys. We're going to be doing 2 more giveaways during this live stream, all right? So I just sent $500 worth of prizes to y'all, all right? So let's see. Shout out to Casual TA. If you want to look at G Swift, we'll look at G Swift, and we will also look at, oh man, we have to look at Sol, but we are getting that move to the downside, man. Let's check out our market Cipher B real quick on Bitcoin, as we are getting the move to the downside. Oof, we are coming down to our box, baby. We are coming down to our box, our 15-minute order block. We're tapping into the 15-minute order block right now. We got the 382. We got the POCs. This must hold. Bitcoin, this must hold. All right, this must hold. I forgot to mark out the 15-minute order block on my ByBit chart here. All right, this box must hold, guys. Let us check out order flow and see what's happened. Okay, so basically not much has happened. These longs are still open. They're still kind of defending their positions here. But we do have quite a few shorts open. All right. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We got to hold this box, man. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I have my alert set a little bit lower, so we'll take a look at Sol, ByBit, and let's go to the 2-day. So here's the deal. Sol is bouncing from key support. This is a long trade we've been looking at for a while, all right? This is very, very, very key, right? We've come down to the trend line, the value area high. This could be the low. If this is not the low, the golden pocket is the low at 170. But this right here, so far, especially if Bitcoin's going to continue to bounce, this could be the low. It's just like all the other coins, guys. The low looks like crap, simply because of these two candles here. It doesn't look very good. Just like ETH, we haven't made a higher high. All right, so best case scenario right now would have to be a move down to 170 with a very nice bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Excellent move for Solana. Local long, I mean, the only thing we have here, and again, there's not much, we don't have a lot of confluences to take along from this area. But I would say a local long right now would be a back test of the golden pocket 76 zone right around here. If we get a pullback, we could make another higher low, but I would prefer to take the low, honestly. I would. All right, G Swift for my man. G Swift. I guess we were looking at this zone for a bounce, and so far looks to me like we're potentially getting a bounce. I don't like the weekly red dot. Let's go to the daily. The daily looks okay. Like, it actually looks decent. We're printing a bottom money flow getting thicker as we're bouncing from key support after a change of structure. This is a make it or break it zone for G Swift. Now again, I'm not a fundamental trader. I don't know about the G Swift, all right? But I do have to say this. We have a very nice looking low here, very nice, a breakout and a back test. And so right now, this is a really nice looking risk to reward setup. I'm just saying, it's really nice. If we lose, then the 886 is where the altcoins also like to bounce from. So 6 cents. If this does not hold, would be the next place that I would expect a big bounce from. And that's really a really good entry right down there. And then we could still expect something like this, because that's still a higher low after a change of structure with really bullish market Cipher B. So my first idea would basically be right from where we're at, but my second idea would have to be the 886, right around the 6 cent zone. The 6 cent zone. All right, I gotta give a major shout out to Mythic OG. Can you check Alf? Alf? Yeah, wasn't that like a Disney Channel character or something like weird like that? Isn't that like a Disney Channel character or something weird like that? All right, come on, Bitcoin. Come on, BTC, USDT, BTC, USDT. All right, let's see. So we got ourselves a little bit of a range. We got ourselves a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Let's pull the fib from the hatch, low bounce from the 786. Yes, so what do I have to say about it? We technically have some bull div here. Not the best looking bull div. We technically have a change of market structure, not the best change of market structure. I mean, if we're going to continue up, then this is definitely going to be, you know, I keep saying this make it or break it stuff, but I mean, it's true. Like, if you know, again, we trade if then scenarios. If this is really the low, and now we made our high, and we made our higher low, and we made our higher high, and this is really bullish market structure, then this is where we need to make our higher low. It's either going to bounce from here or it's going to crash all the way down. Right? So this is the place right here where it's make it or break it for Alphatherium. Alphatherium. Can we get a pump song to push Bitcoin? Yeah, we could get a little of a pump song. Let's see. Oof, I don't know if this is the right time to sing the pump song, guys. I don't know if this is the right time to sing the pump song. We'll have to wait and see. We need to see a bounce from the box before we sing a pump song, honestly. We need to see a little bit of a bounce from the box before we see a pump song. But we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do sonically, musically. Alright? Whoa. Oh no. Bitcoin's dumping, baby. Yeah, oh no. Bitcoin, she's dumping back down. I was smiling, but now I got a frown. I said, Bitcoin, she's dumping back down. I was smiling, but now I got a frown because Bitcoin is dumping back down. I was smiling, but now I got a frown. J Casper, Bitcoin back down. I was smiling. Here we go, yeah. Bitcoin dumping so fast to the POC. Grab your magnifying glass, put it on your eye. What do you see? The candle's gonna fly with the CVD. As we're coming back, we're coming back, we're coming back. You know, next to it, we got the GP. And oh snap, I lost sound in my headphones. Don't even know if I'm on beat. Oh, we're back in the flow. Oh yeah, here we go. Got the beat back in glass. We put it on our face. Bitcoin price, what a disgrace. We pumped up like we were running the race. Then we come back down, smack into your face. Because when we come to the green box, hit the spot. Bitcoin price bigger than a nice fox. Red with the color, better than the other. If we lose the level, don't you know we come back under to the next GP. Now what do we see? Here's a little secret between you and me. 12-minute money flow is getting higher. If we lose here, then we will be on fire. When the price burns down the building to the ground, then do you hear the sound as the Bitcoin price turns brown? Talking about brown, the color of poop. The Bitcoin price about to show you what she gonna do. Cause you know we take a dump in the toilet. J Casper rapping, hopefully I don't spoil it. Cause sometimes when I rap, price starts to dump. Then we come back with the cat like a rat with the cat. Looking around the house with the mouse, with the kitty cat, looking to pounce upon the dinner, the lunch that she had in the couch. Don't you know, don't be a slouch. I was fat when I was younger, but now I got buff. The Bitcoin price, man, she never gives enough. Cause we came to the low, we took the long trade, given in advance. In the garden with the spade, in the Casper crew VIP. Coming back up to the tippy T. Talk about the top 102 JK. We front run to the trend line. The Bitcoin price, she ain't much fun. Because when you long the top, then we start to drop. Then we get the pop, then we hit the spot to the tippy top. Don't you know we're pulling out with the Glock? Gotta lock it, cap it, shoot it like we're doing for the drop. Next thing you know, to the 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin price got me going insane. Don't you know Jay insane in the membrane? Don't you know I got a little bit of front range with the brains in the trains, with the chains, got the swing set going like I'm going insane. Now we got the purple candles coming down and we're slipping down, and I go around and the candles turning purple, then the candles turning blue. The Bitcoin price about to show you what she gonna do, and then the candles turning blue, and then the candles turning purple. Jason Casper, what a nerd, they call him Steve Urkel. I got the gas and you know I got a burp, yo. Drinking Slurpees and I slurp, yo. Yeah, I got the gas in my belly as the purple candles come around like Smucker's grape jelly. And I put it on the bread, give it the spread. I got the bars in my head, hopefully we're not red, only green, if you know what I mean. Mr. J Casper, I'm a trading machine. Now sit back, relax, as you listen to my flow. Sit back, and what do you know? I gotta give a major shield to the blow. Talking about the BLOFIN, what do you know? 10% cash back, $1,000 bonus. You could win a watch, maybe a chair, you could own this. Or a bag of cash, maybe even a Tesla. The Bitcoin price, man, trades the best, yeah. Like J Casper in the Casper crew, we're at the phone 100x long. What do we do? Here we go, we're getting a bounce, we're going fast. The Bitcoin price is about to blast. We got a rocket and we're gonna top it. Next thing you know, like a wrench in a socket, got the bolt, got the screw. Bitcoin, baby, what you gonna do? Sit back, welcome to school, yeah. Alright, we're getting a bounce from the level, baby. Now it's time for the pump song, alright? Now it's time for the pump song. Alright? Come on, Bitcoin, now we gotta pump it up. Where's our pump song? Here we go. We got the pump. Here we go, we're at support. We are bouncing from the level, baby. Bouncing from the level. Come on, Bitcoin. Make it or break it like we always say. Look at that bullets engulfing on the 1 minute, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's pump. All right. Here we go, baby. About to pump the Bitcoin price. Here we go, baby. We're gonna dump. Maybe. I hope not. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on.
We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin. Baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin. Baby, let's go. You're right.
Here we go. Just a little bit of a healthy pullback.
Let's pop.
All right. Come on, baby. What's the order flow looking like? Not the best. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't make a fool of me on the internet. Here we go. Getting a blue candle of hope.
We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. All right.
Here we go, baby. We got the blue candle of hope. All right. J Money just added to his long. I haven't added yet. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to K Diggity. Shout out to Joe Potter. God bless you, bro. Shout out to French Toaster. Shout out to Yowzer Dogasaurus. Kai Dragon. Here we go, baby. Shout out to Dave Digital. Yeah, we're gonna pump. Shout out to Sue Deep. The doggy dance in a short. Uh-oh. Hope you're not. Where's the stop loss? There is no stop loss!
We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. How we gonna dump? How we gonna pop? How we gonna dump? How we gonna pop right now?
All right. Okay. I don't know what to say. Look, we're trying our hardest, but it might not work. So, a delayed effect, though, guys. Sometimes it does have a delayed effect. Sometimes it does have a delayed effect. Here we go, though. I think we get a little bit of a pump. I think we could do it, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, Bitcoin, baby. Can we do? All we wanna see our candles turn blue. Bitcoin, baby. Can we do? All I wanna see is candles turn blue because Bitcoin. Can we do? All I wanna see is candles turn blue. Bitcoin, yeah. Can we do it? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I said, Bitcoin, baby. How do you do? All we wanna see are candles turning blue. Cause you know we don't wanna see the purple. We don't wanna dump down. We don't wanna be Steve Urkel. Hopefully we get the breakout. Next thing you know, the smiles turn to pouts on the bears in their underwear. They were feeling bearish. Next thing they're scared because you know we trapped the shorts at the low. Bitcoin about to pump, look out below. We came to the FOMO 100x full account long level. The Bitcoin price is all base and no treble, cause don't you know the blue candlestick? Now sit back, listen to Jay spit. Hopefully on December 24th, the Bitcoin price will only go north. Yeah, we got the Santa Claus rally with the sleigh. The Bitcoin price about to come out today. About to slay, don't you know, about to kill all the bears. Dropping presents, riding reindeer through the air. Don't you know we got the purple candles, then we're turning blue. Don't you know Bitcoin about to show you what she do? Reminds me of the girl in high school, 6 Juanita. She said you're a fool because I tried to ask her on a date. She gave me the hand, she gave me the face. She said, Jason, you're a little too late. I already got a boyfriend and he's great. I will never date you, you're like a brother. I will not date you, I'll date another. Cause you know, I was in the friend zone. So she rejected me and I went home. But then I went to the gym and worked on myself. Decided I would be like an elf. Then I had to do the squats in the squat rack, losing weight. Gotta win my girlfriend back. 618, 618. Hopefully we go out for margaritas. Gotta eat the chips and the tacos. Listen to me glow. Dips and the nachos. Listen to me go. Bitcoin, the candle turning blue. 30-minute time frame. What's she gonna do? We get the level, baby. Got the FOMO coming in. Sit back to the J show coming in. Don't you know, eating breakfast, eating din. Don't you know we got the crypto about to spin? Yeah, now we're chilling with our friends. The Bitcoin price with Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, like I'm chilling with my friends. Driving all around in my Mercedes-Benz. Don't you know I got a really good friend? His name is Glenn. We hang around a lot, then we had the end. Hey Glenn, man, how do you do? Hey Jay, I'm pretty good, how about you? Yo Glenn, man, what you think about the bounce? I think it looks pretty good, Jay. I'll buy a house with all the profits that I get from the nice long trade, given in advance in the Casper crew. Hey! Yeah, Glenn, that's what I'll do too. I gotta buy a new house between me and you. But hey, Jay! What you gonna do if the price dumps? Are you feeling gay? No, Glenn, that's not how I roll. You know how I do it. The Bitcoin price, man, don't be stupid. Cause you know we come here every single day. I give it to you straight and I never give it to you gay. We're out here hungry, eating from the tray. Coming to the treadmill just to take a play. Take a trade, make a change, look around, making spades. Got the change going up and down, then we change our ways. Cause the candle turning blue with the pump. The Bitcoin price, man, she never gonna dump. Okay. Shout out to Preparing for War. Here we go, baby. Let's go, man. We are bouncing. I like it. 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 Here we go, baby. Bitcoin bouncing. Yeah. 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 I love it when we bounce. I love it when we bounce. Bitcoin bouncing, baby, what's it gonna be? We got a bullish divergence market Cipher B, and I got a secret between you and me. I'll spit it in your ear, hopefully you don't have to pee. But if you have to pee when you're trading Bitcoin, we got the depends, hopefully they're not annoying. Cause you won't get liquidated if you got maximum absorbency here and later. You can pee in your pants on the treadmill while you dance when you're trading Bitcoin with your good friend Lance. And I'm not gonna have a conversation with Lance. Sit back, don't get frustrated, we will dance as we're pumping up from the POC. The Bitcoin price, baby, what's she gonna be? We came down to the level, bass and no treble. Now we're coming up like a nice big rebel, yeah, cause we like to rebel. If the Bitcoin's dumping, then you know we're gonna yell. Better take along, Jay, while we sing the pump song today. Give it to you straight, I never give it to you gay. Hey, why you always gotta say the same line? Well, it's hard to think about stuff on short time. You do 3 freestyles right in a row. You start to run out of words, what do you know? So you recycle, repeat, rinse and reuse. The new world order, I'm such a recluse. I live in the smart city and I rep my shoes. I own nothing and I'm happy, that's how we do. But here we go, the candle's turning blue. Jason Casper about to tell you what he'll do. I might add to the trade, hopefully I'm not in pain as we get the bounce from the key level. Ayy, yeah, we got the FOMO X 100 long Bitcoin account as we start to sing this song. She wanted to dump, she wanted to park, she wanted to come down, but now we're bouncing and she starts to turn around. Yeah, we'll go to the 15-minute. Bitcoin looking strong like she likes to eat her spinach. Just kidding. Did you know spinach will kill ya? It's got the oxalates. Did you even feel ya? Just kidding, I eat my spinach cause I wanna stay strong when I don't dig ditches, cause I never dig ditches up on the farm. I'm only trading Bitcoin, not to be alarmed, but we got the alarm going off in the morning. Bitcoin price giving you the warning. When she came down, then she starts to bounce. Got the nice kitty cat up in the house to pounce on the couch when we're not being slouches. Bitcoin like eating from the pouches. Talking about the baby food when I'm in the mood. Grind it all up, eat it with a spoon. How we do? Yeah, we'll take a look at order flow. Decrease of OI, what do you know? Man, I was hoping we would get some new longs coming in. While we sang the pump song, where do we begin? Maybe if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we could see it in the spinach mind brain with the time frame looking like a sky frame. Yeah, with the tall towers and the mind games. That's what the market makers like to do, playing mind games with the retail traders like me and you. Don't you know when you're going long, the market makers short and then they sing the dumb song. But if we play reverse psychology, don't know what I'm saying, I tripped over my tongue, hee 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 hee. Alright, that's enough freestyles. Now look, here's the deal, alright? It's about time. What do you guys think? Should we do more giveaways? I don't know. Man, we are bouncing, baby. Let's see. We got another super chat from Daniel V. Thank you for streaming on Christmas. Love your energy. Well, God bless you, man. Praise God. Praise God for the energy. Because yesterday I felt like absolute garbage. Garbage. All right. I was feeling under the weather for the last few days. So praise God, I'm feeling better today. All right. So, all right. We got another super chat from DB. Hello, friend. I'm the same Italian guy who asked you the other day if there was any possibility of a fake movement. Maybe I brought luck. Merry Christmas. Well, thank you so much, DB. Yeah, I hope this was the fake movement to the downside. Keep in mind, this is still, we're still rejecting from resistance. So this is make it or break it right now for Bitcoin, honestly. This is make it or break it right now for Bitcoin. If we hold this level, guys, then we are coming up to 102,000. All right, beautiful risk to reward. Beautiful risk to reward. A 6-to-1 right now. A 6-to-1 right now. Man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Should I add? Maybe I'll add if we put in another higher high. I know that sounds dumb, but you got to understand, guys. This is a nice entry. We're heading into Christmas. Probably not going to trade on... I'm definitely not going to trade on Friday. I'm probably not going to trade... What day is today? I am going to trade tomorrow. Okay, yeah, maybe... I'll add a little bit to this, guys. I'm going to add a little bit, all right? I'm going to add a little bit. Let's do it. All right, we're going to add a little bit to our trade. How much we got on it right now? 58,000. All right, let's add 22,000. All right, there we go. Oof, man, what a dumb place to... Man, I shouldn't have done that. You know, I wouldn't have done this if I wasn't on YouTube, but I'm trying to be a little sensational here. Oof. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is, guys. All right, it is what it is. All right, you know what? What the heck? We're going to have to add another 20K. All right, we're doing it, baby. 20K. There we go. All right, added another 20K. We're $100,000 long, baby. And we're going to hit our take profit at 102,000. All right. Let's see. 101,900. We're going to front run that. We're going to take out... Let's see. Yeah, we'll make another 2,500. How much we got on there? That's fine. That's good. All right. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. All right. Here we go, baby. We're looking. Uh-oh, a 6.66% move to the upside. That's not good. All right. Especially not on Christmas. You know? We'll just tweak that a little bit, man. We'll just tweak that. There we go. 6.59. There you go. 6.59. There you go. Or could we look at ENA? You want to look at ENA? Yeah, we could look at ENA. Here's the thing, all right? We do have to do another we do have to give away more money. We do have to give away more money. So let's look at ENA. Then we'll we'll give away more money. ENA. Athena. So, you know, I have to say, this does look like a nice cup and handle kind of thing. All right. You know, I ain't no crypto lifer, but, you know, I think this does look like a nice cup and handle, you know. Does look cup and handly. Let's look at the volume. Man, I mean, it looks nice. I'm not gonna lie, like, it looks nice, but let's pull the fib from here. Okay, so it looks nice, but the best place, obviously the best place to look for a trade is gonna have to be the area between the golden pocket and 76. I mean, if this is a cup and handle and we haven't yet made our handle yet, you know, that would be the most nice thing. We got so much confluence right there, like mad intersectionality right there. But we're at value area high, so holding above 91 cents is obviously bullish. But let's go to our 4 hour and see how she's looking. Ambiguous. I mean, look, if you have your risk management on point, you could long here because we back tested the value area high and the 382. We haven't even changed market structure. It's the same as like these other coins. But assuming this is the bottom, assuming this is a higher low, then I could see why you would long here, but that would have to be a low time frame scalp. Low probability, I'd say, but low risk, because you know where your stop is. This would be the next place I would look. All right, let's see how Bitcoin's doing. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. All right, we got to give away another $500 up in here. We gotta give away another $500. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we gotta give it away. What do you guys think? Should we give it away? Sammy Cup and Handy, baby. Shout out to Sam Price. Shout out to Melchizedek Lockwood. God bless you, bro. Shout out to Olesia Slabod Yaniuk. Shout out to you, and I'm sorry for butchering your name. I'm so sorry. Oh man, shout out to Hostel Aglodos from Brazil. And again, I'm sorry if I can't pronounce your name, guys. Look, I'm just a stupid American out here, all right? I don't even know how to spell anything. My 6-year-old daughter, all right, she likes to write stories, and she has me be her scribe. And even the simplest words, sometimes I don't know how to spell, guys, honestly. You know, I grew up with spell check. What can I say? I'm a millennial. We grew up with spell check. Shout out to Divine Hood. He'll be home in 10. God bless you, Divine Hood. Good to see you here, man. Good to see you here. All right, got to give a major shout to, let's see who we're shouting out. Man, Divine Hood, I already shielded your channel, man. We need you to make a video, bro, so I know what to tell people. Shout out to Job Jews. Free the freestyle. All right, we're gonna be giving away another. We're gonna do another giveaway. All right, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. The same as last time. All right, same as last time. Go into the chat, and I want you guys to spam the chat with your USDT address. All right, spam the chat with your USDT address. Doesn't matter what network, but honestly, the Tron network is best because less amount of fees. Okay, lower fees. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it on the screen so you guys can see. Alrighty. Okay, here we go. We're gonna count down from 10. Wait a second, this is not right. We gotta refresh this. We gotta refresh it. Sometimes the chat glitches. All right, gotta put it on live chat. Give it a minute. This is not right. So unless it starts working, we can't do the giveaway because it should be going really fast. What the heck? All right, Bear with me, guys. I'm going to try and refresh it again. Let's see what happens. Fan funding. Shout out to all our super chats, by the way. Live chat. Here we go. Now it's going. This is what we want to see. All right. Here we go. Countdown from 10. Take a screenshot. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Our winner, our first winner is D-Do-Un. All right. D-Do-Un. So D-Do-Un is right here. We're going to copy that and paste it in our chat here. All right, now we're going to do another. All right, D-Do-Un, congratulations. All right, we're going to do another. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, our second winner is Stackin' Sats. Shout out to Stackin' Sats. Stackin' Sats. Stackin' Sats. Here we go, Stackin' Sats. And we are going to send that out to y'all right now. Congratulations, guys. You are the winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. We need you to bounce, baby. We need you to bounce. Otherwise, I'm going to make a fool of myself on the internet. It'll be the first time ever I've made a fool of myself on the internet. All right. D-Do-Un. Congratulations, D-Do-Un. Send out the 250. All right, now we're gonna send one out to our other winner, Stackin' Sats. All right, bear with us. Uno momento. Uno momento. Un momento. All right, congratulations to our winners, man. Y'all have just won $1,000. Congratulations, all combined. 4 $250 winners. That's amazing. I'm proud of you guys. All right, here we go. Bitcoin pumping. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Let's go to the 1 minute and see how she's looking here. Look, we got the move. We sang the pump song. We got the bounce from our level. Isn't that amazing? Right from the level, guys. Right from the level. Now, not financial advice, but you could 100x this with that knockout liquidated. Maybe not full account, you know. Never do your full account. All right, man. Well, that was exhilarating. That was exhilarating. All right, Defense Trader says, I never get a chance to win. Well, it's a 1 in 2,000 chance, man. So let's be honest. It's a little bit difficult to win. What do I think about 90-250? I believe we're going to have to take that liquidity before we get the real move. Speed Racer, yes. So in general, Speed Racer, my next main level to take along is around under $90,000. I'd say we could probably come down to 85. You know, that's what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. But this is a local area, right? And who knows? Like, we never really know. That's the thing. Like, that's the thing. You never know for certain, right? So that's why I'm in the trade from here, right? Let's check it out. Oh, nice. Nice. All right. So Joe Potter has his 88888 buy order. Very strange giveaways, not even asked for address. Steve-O, you're supposed to spam the chat with your address. All right, that's how I know what address to do. Shout out to Rodrigo. He says, we need the pump song. Let's go. Man, we already did the pump song, bro. I don't think I have it left in me. Where am I walking? Looks like San Andreas. Yeah, it is San Andreas. But I'm actually going through a weird tunnel right now. Whoa. Whoa. I'm not feeling dizzy. Whoa. Yeah. Shout out to David Brumble, bro. God bless you. Reverse cup and handle. Yeah, maybe it is a reverse cup and handle, you know? It could be. So look, we gave it a fair shot, all right? We gave it a fair shot, all right? We locked in 0.0174 Bitcoin. Our stop will get us 0.005. So, all right, so we'll still end up with 0.012 Bitcoin, $1,200. I'll take it, man, right? If we don't bounce from here, it's make it or break it. I'll either take a $1,200 profit, or we'll hold this up to our next place, and we'll end up with like 4,000 realized. And yeah, so my two options right now are make $1,200 or make 4,000. Those are my two choices. So I'll take that. I'll take it, you know? Is he walking on a treadmill or just a big house? Just a big house, you know that. Volume is dying. Yeah, you know, it's not a good time to long. But look, volume was dying before this last big pump as well, all right? Is Jason gonna be live tomorrow? Yep, I'm gonna be live tomorrow. I am gonna be live tomorrow. Shout out to Nirvana who pooped during my stream. I pooped during live streams too. I gotta shut the camera off though. You gotta shut the camera off, all right? Where's my chicken head cam? Shout out to Chichaco DTE, bro. I know, right? Is that real? I gotta figure that out for myself because that seemed like a little shady to me. But the poor chickens. Someone put a camera on a chicken's head, and allegedly the chicken's head always stays stable. I don't know if that's true or not. ATTV is short from the top. You hodl. Yeah, that's my plan. I mean, my swing trade plan is this. Right? This is my actual swing trade plan. So yeah, it is what it is. Shout out to God bless you, Chichaco, man. May the Lord Yeshua bless you, man. Shout out to Divine Hood. He says, Jason, we're doing a very important backtest of the channel now on the daily. We broke our small channel perfect to the upside. Cool. I hope that we bounce from here, man. I hope we do bounce from here at Divine Hood. Alright guys, just so everyone knows, Divine Hood, an amazing trader in the Casper crew. Make sure to subscribe to his channel. Alright, here he is. He has 558 subs. Let's see. 653 subs. We pumped him 100. Let's see if we can't pump him another 100 subs. We're gonna go ahead and pop him in the chat here. Alright, so someone says they can confirm about the chicken cam. Alright. Ender's Game JP can confirm. Alright, okay, alright. You don't look to me like much of a chicken camera experimenter, but hey, I'm gonna take your word. I'm gonna take your word. Shout out to Bernie, he says, Merry Wickmas. You think we're gonna wick a lot? What do you guys think is gonna happen tomorrow? I don't really know what's gonna happen, but what do you think is gonna happen tomorrow? Why do I keep pretending to be American even though we all know I'm an English lad? Well, honestly, it's because Americans get more views. I don't know what else to say. YouTube, I think they like Americans better. All right, shout out to Job Drew. He says, God knows, keep the freestyle up. All right. Shout out to Keezy who subbed. You're long now. We're going to 78 now. Oh no, Nirvana Republic. I hope not. All right. Shout out to Preparing for War. Shout out to Amelia Rose. Shout out to Divine Hood. He's gonna make a video update today. Bro, I appreciate you. Look, Divine Hood, man. Look, he's just TA, nothing else, right? No shills, no nothing, just TA. Just pure TA. The dude's a really good trader. All right. Yeah. I am English, my man. I am. All right. Long squeeze before the rest of top. I hope so. That'd be nice from here. I mean, we'll have to wait and see what happens. You know, we're kind of... Is this a little bull flag right here? What's going on right here? A little bit of a bull flag? What's going on tomorrow? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. You know, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. That's why I'm asking you guys what y'all think. XRP 100X Showbilly says, big upside coming. Gene Lee just subscribed to Divine Hood. That's what's up, man. Look, I'm subscribed to Divine Hood. You know, all the cool people are subscribed. Is Fartcoin the new Ethereum? I mean, it's called Fartcoin. So, I don't think it's the new Ethereum. I don't think Fartcoin's the new Ethereum, man. But it's pumping, so, you know, I don't know. Let's see. Bounce from the golden pocket. So that first pullback was from the golden pocket. Second pullback was from the golden pocket. So it really loves the golden pocket. So far we can just say the last 2 times we bounced from the golden pocket. So if we do something like this, then we would pull our fib from the low to the high, and we would look for a bounce from the golden pocket, you know? I have to be honest, this daily looks like it's about to blast to the upside. The 4 hour, could be a nice bottom, honestly. The 4 hours looks really nice. The money flow from this low to this low is getting higher. So yeah, there is more room for upside on coin. You know? Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Big D, Trump won't mind another dump before New Year's. I wouldn't mind either, honestly. I would not mind either. I would not mind either. Well, guys, it's been a great stream. I am going to head out. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. May He bless you. May He bless your families. If you celebrate the birth of the Messiah, may you have a wonderful time. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.